we'll guide you through how to review Netlify effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Netlify website by typing in netlify.com in the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the site you want to review. You can find this under the Sites tab, which is usually located in the top menu. Click on the site name to open its specific dashboard. Here, you'll see several sections such as Overview, Domain Settings, and Build and Deploy Settings. To review the site's deployment details, click on the Deploys tab. This will show you the history of your site's deployments, including the status of each deployment, whether it's succeeded or failed, and you can even click on a specific deployment to see detailed logs. This is particularly useful for troubleshooting if something went wrong. To review or change your site's settings, navigate to the Site Settings tab. Here, you can manage your domain settings, SSL/TLS certificates, and even set up redirects if needed. Make sure to check the Domain Management section if you're using a custom domain to ensure everything is properly configured. If you want to test the live version of your site, click on the Open Live Site button, usually located in the top right corner of the site's overview page. This lets you see exactly what your visitors will experience. Remember to review the Analytics section if you have it enabled, as this provides insights into your site's performance and traffic. Finally, don't forget to check the Identity tab if you have user authentication set up, allowing you to manage users and roles. Reviewing these sections regularly helps you ensure your site is running smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.